Hello, so in today's class we'll see a few problems on finding the Laplace transform. So in last class we have seen the Laplace transform of few functions. So when you take the Laplace transform of 1, that will be equal to 1 by p. Laplace transform of x is 1 by p square. Then Laplace transform of x raised to n is n factorial by e raised to n plus 1. Then Laplace transform of e raised to ax is 1 by p minus a. And Laplace transform of sin ax is a by p square plus a square. And Laplace transform of cos ax is p by p square plus a square. So these are the some of the common Laplace transform. So you remember all these results. ഇതെല്ലാം ഓർത്തിരിക്കണം. സോ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോലുള്ള നമ്മൾ ഈ ഫോർമുലാസ് നേരെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ റിമെമ്പർ ഓൾ ദിസ് ഫോർമുലാസ്. സോ let us see Laplace transform of few functions in today's class. So find the Laplace transform of following functions. We know that integral of a sum will be equal to sum of the integrals. So if you have Laplace transform of two functions f1 of x plus f2 of x, then that will be equal to Laplace transform of f1 plus Laplace transform of f2 of x, because those properties come from that of the integral. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് വന്നാലും so L of C1 F1 will be equal to C1 L of F1. So constant multiple ne namukku porathedukam. Okay. So those are few properties of Laplace transform which comes from the integration. So this is valid for plus or minus. Here you will have plus or minus. So we'll see few functions where we'll apply this property. Okay. So the first function is f of x equal to 10. So Laplace transform of 10 will be 10 times Laplace transform of 1. So that will be equal to 10 by p. And next you have f of x equal to x raised to 5 plus cos 2x. So Laplace transform of fx will be Laplace transform of x raised to 5 plus cos 2x. So that is L of x raised to 5 plus L of cos 2x. L of x raised to 5 is 5 factorial by p raised to 6 varum. And L of cos 2x will be p by so a value is equal to 2. So p by p square plus 4. So that is the required Laplace transform. Now if you have the function f of x equal to 2e raised to 3x minus sin 5x. So if you want the Laplace transform of 2e raised to 3x minus sin 5x, so that will be equal to 2 Laplace transform of e raised to 3x minus L of sin 5x. This will be 2 by, here a is equal to 3, Laplace transform will be 1 by p minus a. 2 by p minus 3 varum minus, so here a is equal to 5 for sin x. So 5 by p square plus 5 square, so that is equal to 25. Then if you have f of x equal to 4 sin x cos x plus 2 e raised to minus x. So when you take Laplace transform of 4 sin x cos x plus 2 e raised to minus x. So that will be 4 sin x cos x we can write as 2 sin 2x plus 2 e raised to minus x. So that will be 2L of sin 2x plus 2L of e raised to minus x. So that will be 2 into 2 by p square plus 4 varum plus 2 by s minus, p minus 1. So that will be 4 by p square by 4. So that will be equal to 4 by p square plus 4 plus 2 by p plus 1 plus 2 by p plus 1. So that's the required Laplace transform. And next you have f of x equal to x raised to 6 sin square 3x plus x raised to 6 cos square 3x. So when you find L of fx, so x raised to 6 is common. So you have sin square 3x plus cos square 3x which is equal to 1. So this will be equal to L of x raised to 6. The L of x raised to 6 will be 6 factorial by e raised to 7. So that is the required Laplace transform. And just look at the second problem. So without integrating, show that L of sin h ax is equal to a by p square minus a square, where p is greater than mod a, and L of cos h ax is equal to p by p square minus a square when p is greater than mod a. So we know that sin h, so these are hyperbolic functions. So sin h ax will be e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax by 2. So let us start with L of sin h ax. So that will be equal to L of e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax by 2. L of e raised to, so L of e raised to ax will be 1 by p minus a. We have seen when you find out the integral, p must be greater than a. അപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ആ ഇന്റഗ്രൽ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇന്റഗ്രൽ കൺവേർജ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ p greater than a ആവണം. And in the same way, L of e raised to minus ax എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ you will get 1 by p plus a, where p must be greater than minus a. So these are the two conditions for your integral to be convergent. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 L of e raised to ax minus L of e raised to minus ax. Now giving the values of the Laplace transform, you will get 1 by p minus a minus 1 by p plus a. So that is equal to 1 by 2 p plus a minus p plus a by p square minus a square. So numerator 2a varum. So that will give you a by p square minus a square. Now this will hold when, so we will get L of e raised to ax and e raised to minus ax provided p is greater than a and p is greater than minus a. So combining both the conditions, you will get p greater than modulus of a. So that is the first result. And similarly, when you find L of cos h ax, that will be L of e raised to ax plus e raised to minus ax by 2. So you will get 1 by 2. L of e raised to x is 1 by p minus a plus 1 by p plus a varum. So provided mod p is greater than mod a. So that will be 1 by 2 p plus a plus p minus a by p square minus a square varum. So that will be equal to, so you will get 2p by 2, so p by p square minus a square. So that p is greater than mod a. So that is the required result. And next problem is find L of sine square ax and L of cos square ax without integrating. So L of sine square ax will be, sine square ax is L of 1 minus cos 2ax by 2 varum. So that is 1 by 2 L of 1 minus L of cos 2ax. So you will get 1 by 2. L of 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 by p varum minus L of cos ax will be p by p square plus a square. So p by p square plus 4a square varum. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 p square plus 4a square minus p square by p into p square plus 4a square. So here p square will cancel off. You will get 2a square by p into p square plus 4a square. So that is the required Laplace transform. And similarly L of cos square ax will be equal to L of 1 plus cos 2ax by 2 varum. So that is 1 by 2. So L of 1 will be 1 by p and cos 2x in there p by p square plus 4a square. So that will be 1 by 2 2p square plus 4a square by p into p square plus 4a square varum. So that will be 2 will cancel off. So you will get p square plus 2a square by p into p square plus 4a square. So that is the required Laplace transform. Now the next problem is to find a function f of x whose transform is 30 by e raised to 4. So here you are given the Laplace transform, find the corresponding function ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So we have this result L of x raised to n is n factorial by x raised to n plus 1. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട n equal to 3 ആണ്. So L of x cube will be equal to 3 factorial by x raised to p raised to 4 varum. Okay, so that will be 6 by p raised to 4. So if you want L of you need 30 here, so L of 5x cube will be equal to 30 by p raised to 4. So therefore the function f of x will be equal to 5x cube. So that is the required function. Now if you have the function 2 by p plus 3, if you take L of e raised to minus 3x, that will be equal to 1 by p minus minus 3. So that is 1 by p plus 3. So therefore your f of x will be 2 by 2 e raised to minus 3x. So when you take the Laplace transform of 2 e raised to minus 3x, that will be 2 by e plus 3. So that is the required function. I want you to try these problems also in the similar way. ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എക്സ് റേസ് ടു എന്നിൻ്റെയും സൈനിൻ്റെയും ഫോർമുല ആയിരിക്കും. ഈ ലാസ്റ്റ് രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പാർഷ്യൽ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആയിട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് ഫങ്ഷൻസ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. So please try this by yourself.